Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align the page in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now you want to align the page. You can see here we already opened the document. Now I am select the page. You can enable the margin alignment, go to the window menu and select the type and table tool and enable the character to enable the margin option. Now I am select the margin drop down menu and we can see here the align to page. Now I am make left. Now I am select the second page and make the margin right. Now we can see we align the text or page to page very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.